Let's start in a seated position, whatever feels comfy for you. And maybe we cross the legs, maybe we sit on our knees. Once you feel comfy and ready, we start to take a couple breath in and exhale couple breath out. Arriving to this present moment, the only moment that exists. Whatever you're thinking can be out. Let it out of you with a big inhale and with a big exhale. All the way out. I invite you to set an intention for this practice. Any message that your heart is saying right now is welcome. Repeating that intention 3 times with the voice of your heart. Using positive words. In present. Allow to connect with your heart. Bringing your hands at your heart in Anjali Mudra, Namaste, palms facing each other. Keep connecting with that breath. And we inhale, bring those hands up, move your hands, your fingers, your wrists, and exhale with twist. Look into your back shoulder. Your hand is on your opposite knee. And try with every breath open a bit more. And then inhale, hands up again, and exhale with twist to the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands to the side. We will go side to side. Maybe it's just your hand on the mat, or maybe hand and elbow. Your chin come to you underarm. Inhale, exhale. And now we will come to our tabletop. Beautiful. To come to a child, we can have those knees wide apart, maybe knees together, and your forehead is on the mat, touching the floor, connecting your third eye that is between your eyebrows fully with the earth. Beautiful, that is. We come to a tabletop, knees in line with your hips and wrists and shoulders, and we do one cat-cow. Inhale, open. Exhale, look into your belly. And we will come to a seated position again. Inhale, open heart. Exhale, look to your belly. Inhale, look up to the sky. Exhale to your belly, keep going. Inhale, look up. Exhale, belly. Inhale, open your heart, receive all the good energies. Exhale, connecting with your heart. Inhale, up. Exhale, belly. Keep going, connecting with your breath. Feel free to go faster or slower than me because you're flowing with your own breath. But I want you inhale, open, and exhale, belly. Bring a stillness here to your practice. All those palms facing up to the sky. Connect with your breath. Feel how you're feeling after these first movements. And inhale, hands up. And exhale with one more twist, feeling any difference now. Maybe you can open a bit more. And inhale, hands up. And exhale with twist again to the other side. Feel the difference in your body. Maybe it's the same, maybe it feels different. Beautiful. That is, to any movement that feels good for you. I invite you to connect with your intuition. If you need to shake your hands, move your neck, whatever feels good for you. Move your shoulders. And we go again side to side. Hands on the mat and to the side. Drop one hand on the mat, chin to your underarm. That is. And maybe this time your elbow drops on the mat. If before you did not drop your elbow, now maybe you can try it. Beautiful, that is. And now we go forward, inside, and forward, inside, and forward, inside. Keep your chin in your underarm. Beautiful. We meet at the center. Interlace your fingers behind. Open your heart. And exhale, release. Feet together, facing each other. We find this reclining butterfly. I want with your hands you grab your feet. And you inhale and exhale, go forward. That is super. Stay there as much as you can. That feels good. And then slowly we will come to our tabletop again to do more cat-cow. Inhale, we open up to the sky. Exhale, we look belly. You got this. Be sure your wrists are in line with your shoulders and your knees with your hips. And you keep going, connecting with your breath. Inhale, open. Exhale, belly. And we will melt to our puppy shape. Knees still in line with your hips, and you will melt your heart on the mat. Maybe forehead is on the mat, or maybe your chin on the mat looking forward. Beautiful. We drop all the belly to the mat. The weight is on your hands and elbows. And we fully open to a cobra, placing those hands where were your elbows. Open your heart, tuck your toes. We come to our first downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Feet are in line with your hips, your shoulders, and your hands. You push that mat away, and we inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot between your hands. Drop your left knee on the mat. We come to a low lunge. Inhale, hands up to the sky. Hold there, keep breathing. Exhale, hands at your heart, and we will do a twist to the right. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. And now maybe open your right arm up, just if you want. If not, keep your hands together. And we will come to a lizard. So we move our right foot to the side, opening your right hip to the side. Maybe just stay there or push with your right hand that hip to the side. We bring Malasana at front, so bring your left foot to forward. We can stay simply in Malasana or moving one knee to the mat and then the other one. Inhale, head up, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana, relax your neck. Let's come to plank, Chaturanga, elbows in, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog again, and we go with the opposite leg. Take a couple breaths first. When you're ready, inhale, left leg up to the sky. Exhale, left foot between your hands. We drop right knee on the mat. And we find our low lunge with our left leg at the front, working that balance. Hold there, index fingers pointing forward, mudra for letting go. Hands at your heart, and we will twist to the left. Stay there with your hands at your heart at the center. Keep breathing. Super. Maybe open your arms or stay there. We will find the lizard on the other side. So we move left foot to the side and maybe pushing that knee to the side. Maybe simply stay there. When you're ready, we find Malasana at the front. We move knees or we stay there. We come all the way up and exhale all the way to Malasana again. Inhale all the way up. Exhale Malasana. Inhale up. Exhale Malasana. That is feeling powerful, like the queen that you are. Exhale Malasana. Inhale all the power in you. Exhale, sit on your throne. Beautiful. Hands on the mat. We find plank. Chaturanga, strong. Inhale, upward cobra. Tuck toes, downward facing dog. Right leg up to the sky. Beautiful, right foot forward. Finding this lizard, and we find balance, bringing your right arm under your right knee. Lift both arms, trusting your right foot and left toes. Keep breathing. Super. Hands on the mat. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Tuck toes downward. Great job. Left leg up to the sky. Foot between your hands. Finding lizard. We bring left arm under your left knee. And we fly in the sky. Lift both arms. Trusting your left foot, right toes. When it's time for you, hands on the mat and Malasana at the front. Take a couple breaths here. When you're ready, hands on the mat, head up, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Maybe grabbing opposite elbows, moving side to side, relaxing your neck, relax your jaw, your face. You can also keep your hands on the mat or hands on your knees. Inhale, look forward, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back, plank. Chaturanga, you're strong. That is, inhale, upward cobra. And tuck toes, downward facing dog. You're doing it really good. Look to your belly bottom and inhale, right leg up. Exhale, pigeon. Inhale up, exhale all the way down. Inhale up, exhale, elbows out. Forehead on the mat. Inhale up, moving your spine, your neck. Exhale. Inhale up. Now we will bend that back knee and your opposite hand will grab your foot. So your right hand is grabbing your left foot. You're trying to look to your back shoulder, your right shoulder. Couple breaths and we come back, hands on the mat. And we find plank, maybe with right leg up. Chaturanga, upward and downward. Beautiful. We go with the opposite leg, left leg up. Pigeon. Left leg at the front. Inhale. Exhale, elbows out. Inhale. Exhale, forehead on the mat, elbows out. Inhale. Exhale, out. Inhale, head up. Exhale, stay in your pigeon. Couple breaths there and we bend the right knee this time. Left hand, grab your right foot. You're looking to your back left shoulder. Couple breaths there. When you're ready, we tuck back toe. Plank with left leg up, chaturanga, upward. And child pose, so you can do downward if you want. From child, we find puppy again, knees in line with your hips, we did it at the beginning. Melting your heart, all the way to your hands and elbows, hands under your shoulders, cobra. Exhale, downward. We stay in downward, looking belly bottom. Feet in line with your hips. Right leg up to the sky, foot between your hands. We rest back heel on the mat. We find warrior one, all the way up. Reach arms up, hips forward, knee in line with your hip. Knee in line with your heel. Open to warrior two. Hold there, inhale forward, exhale reverse. Stay there, still bending your front knee. Super. We will come to Trikonasana. So your right hand come to your right knee and down, 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 down. If you can reach the floor, that's even better. If no, it's okay. We bend the right knee, leaving your right arm on top. Stretch your left arm. Stay there. Super. Keep breathing. Hands on the mat. Plank. Chaturanga. Elbows in. Upward. Tuck toes. Downward. Look into your belly, pushing that mat away. Rest your head, maybe shake your head to relax your shoulders. Left leg up to the sky, foot between your hands. We will find warrior one. Rest your back heel and come up. Arms up. Warrior one. Keep breathing. And open to warrior two. Inhale forward. Exhale reverse. Super. We open to find trikonasana on the other side. And drop that hand. We bend the knee. Now we open to the other side. Super. Hands on the mat. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward cobra. And downward. Take a deep breath here. Again, shake your head if you need. Push mat away. Knees on the mat. Yay. That is. Tag your toes. And we will find half camel. So right hand to your right heel and open to the side. And now left, and open to the side. Beautiful. And now both hands, if you want to try at the same time. Hips forward, 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 forward. Keep breathing. Trusting yourself. And slowly hands to your back. And we come back. Oof. We will come to a seated position. Yeah. And then slowly we start to lie down on the mat to hug your knees. Moving side to side. Massaging all your back, your neck. We find happy baby. Grabbing your feet. Releasing tensions in your hips where the emotions are stuck. And then legs up to the sky. Move your feet, move your toes. We will do a shoulder stand. So we sure nothing at the back. And we impulse ourselves up and then plow. We try that those feet can go to the mat. Stretching your legs. Super. Stay there. Connecting with your body. That is super. Maybe bending your knees if you want to bring your knees to your ears to go a bit farther. That's also good. Simply stay where you are. And then slowly when you feel it's time to come back, vertebra by vertebra, we come back and we will do fish. So the crown of your head is on the mat. Chest up, 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 up. And maybe stretch legs up, maybe simply left them on the mat. Super. We come down, we do a twist. Right knee come to the left, you look to the right. Stay in this twist, maybe with your left hand on your right knee, so you can support that knee to go closer to the floor. Or we can bend the other leg and grab that foot to go a bit farther with this twist. Keep breathing there. We start to slow down. Stretch legs, and now we do the twist on the other side. Exactly the same on the other side. Super. Maybe bending that knee and grabbing that foot. If you did it before, please do the same. So then you don't feel any difference between your right and left side and you feel balance. Super. We will come to the center. We will flow with our breath. So inhale, hips up, arms overhead. Exhale all the way down. We keep going. Inhale, hips up, arms overhead. Exhale down. Inhale, hips up, arms overhead. Exhale down. And now we hold those hips up as much as you want. Or we can come to our wheel, hands next to your ears. Hips up, 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 up. And here try to stretch your arms if it's possible. And then on your own time, we slowly release. Oof. Take your time in your reclining butterfly, feet facing each other, knees pointing out. Feel the stillness, enjoy the silence. And slowly we will find our Shavasana. So we stretch legs. Legs wide apart, palms facing up to the sky. Take a full deep breath from your toes till the top of your head. And exhale from your head till your toes. Lying down on your back. There is nothing you need to do here. No shape to hold, no breath to control. Just notice how the earth is holding you. Let your shoulders drop, soften your jaw. Let the belly rest. Allow your breath to move on its own. You don't need to change anything here, just feel it coming in and going out. If your mind wanders, that's normal. I will let you here for a couple minutes in your Shavasana. Shavasana is the most important part in yoga. Allow yourself to rest fully for a couple minutes, enjoying the nature sounds. Nothing to do, simply stay there, and I will come back with my voice to bring you back. Time to come back, bring the attention to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe stretch arms overhead, it feels good for you. Bring your knees to your chest. And we will roll onto the right side to feel any sensation. Slowly, keeping your eyes closed if it's possible, we will find our seated position to close our practice with Anjali Mudra, hands together at your heart. We add gratitude for at least 3 things you're grateful for today. Adding a smile, Loka Samasta Sukino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you so much, beautiful souls. Thank you for practice with me. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling. Such a pleasure to practice together. Let me know if you like it, if I should keep posting more videos. What would you like? Yoga for your hips, back, to connect with your intuition. Just tell me in the comments. I read you. Have a wonderful day, as wonderful as you. Bye bye.